Introduction to real-time collaboration in Google Drive.
Google Drive makes working with others easy by allowing real-time editing and commenting on documents. Whether you need to draft reports or brainstorm ideas with teammates, Google Drive offers simple tools for seamless collaboration. This tutorial will guide you through sharing documents, co-editing, and making the most of comment features for effective teamwork.
Sharing documents with others.
To collaborate, first, share your document. Open the file in Google Drive. Click the Share button in the upper right and enter email addresses of the people you want to invite. Set permissions to allow others to edit, comment, or just view the document, depending on your needs.
Editing together in real time.
Once shared, everyone invited can edit the document at the same time. You'll see each collaborator's cursor, labeled with their name, moving through the document. Changes are saved instantly, so you won't lose any work. Watch edits happen in real time, making it easy to brainstorm and update information collaboratively.
Using comments and suggestions for feedback.
Google Drive's comment and suggestion tools make teamwork efficient. Select text and click the comment icon to add feedback. Tag people with @ to notify them, or switch to suggesting mode to propose edits without changing the main text. This keeps discussions organized and helps everyone provide input.
Tracking changes and version history.
You can review all document changes using version history. Go to File, then Version History, and click See Version History. Here, you'll find a timeline of edits, who made them, and the ability to restore earlier versions if needed. This feature keeps your collaboration secure and transparent.
Tips for effective collaboration.
For the best results, clearly communicate expectations, assign roles when needed, and regularly check comments and suggestions. Use document titles and folders to stay organized. With these habits and Google Drive's real-time tools, collaborating on documents becomes smoother and more productive for every team member.